Next, the 1960 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, Tuxedo Black and Sateen Silver over red.
Ooh.
Numbers matching 283 cubic inch V8, nicely restored, stunning colors. Got the Muncie M20 manual. Don't believe it's the original transmission to the car. And great chrome on this thing. And this, I don't know, a 60 Corvette is just really a cool looking car, and especially in black and silver with red interior.
It's just amazing that these were just like regular cars. I mean, they were never sort of regular, but the fact that they were common and this is the design that they came out with, amazing.
Yeah, you would see. And then, of course, in 63, when the Stingray came out, it was like aliens had landed.
Yeah, exactly.
Craziest thing ever.
They did bring this back from space.
Yes, they did.